from Chevrolet. A full range of hard-working models to handle America's needs for efficiently hauling lots of cargo or plenty of people. Here's the popular Chevy van, available in short or long wheelbase models. They're big on the inside, yet their efficient overall lengths make maneuvering easy. Wide side and rear cargo door openings provide plenty of room for easy loading or unloading of bulky cargo. The 110-inch wheelbase Chevy van accommodates up to 246 cubic feet of cargo. For longer loads, Chevy's 125-inch wheelbase model features a 14.5-foot maximum loading length. When it comes to cargo capacity, the interior cargo volume of the long wheelbase model is 296 cubic feet. Room for all these paint cans with many feet to spare. Chevy vans come in 3 series to accommodate various load-carrying demands. The half-ton G10 can actually handle more than a ton of maximum gross payload. The 3/4-ton G20 up to 2,731 pounds. And the 1-ton G30 handles up to 4,276 pounds, more than 2 tons. For special commercial applications, Chevy vans can be ordered with factory-installed vocational equipment packages, featuring a variety of convenient bins, racks, and storage compartments. For more cargo carrying capacity, there's Chevy's High Cube van. It retains the comfort and convenience of Chevy van's front passenger compartment, and it's available in 125-inch or 146-inch wheelbases with either aluminum or steel bodies. With an interior body height of nearly 6.5 feet, a load space width of up to almost 7.5 feet, and a maximum loading length of more than 12 feet, the long wheelbase High Cube van can handle up to 576 cubic feet of large, bulky cargo. Depending on the need, 4 styles of rear doors are available. Conventional style hinge doors with a 38-inch opening are standard. Or choose from the optional 60-inch wide doors, 74-inch full-width hinge doors, or the available overhead rear door. Add the available dual rear wheel option, and Chevy High Cube vans can be spec'd for a GVW rating up to 10,000 pounds. For even bigger cargoes and payloads, select Chevy Step Van, a tough, roomy walk-in van available in 10.5, 12.5, or 14.5-foot bodies in a choice of steel or aluminum. Because they offer the convenience of being able to walk from the driver area to the cargo area, step vans are ideally suited for day-in, day-out work of multi-stop delivery. How much can they carry? Well, with the 14.5-foot lightweight aluminum body, step vans' GVW ratings can range up to 14,000 pounds, with up to 717 cubic feet of cargo space. Not all Chevrolet vans are built for hauling cargo. Chevy Sport vans are a very efficient way to carry passengers in roomy comfort. Sport van is available in either the G10 series with a 110-inch wheelbase or the G1020 or 30 series with a 125-inch wheelbase. Standard on both models are high-back vinyl bucket seats and a 3-passenger center bench seat to provide comfortable seating for 5. Add an optional second bench seat and seating capacity increases to 8. Add a 3rd optional bench seat to the long wheelbase G30 Sport van, and it carries 12 people with plenty of leg and shoulder room. And there's still plenty of room left for cargo behind the last seat. All bench seats have a quick release feature for added versatility. To further enhance Sport van's standard good looks and functional value, a choice of 2 optional trim levels is available. Order the mid-level Bonaventure trim, and it'll add a chromed grille with round headlamps, handsome nameplates, chromed bumpers, and bright exterior trim. On the inside, custom vinyl seat trim, color-keyed trim panels on doors and sidewalls, full-length color-keyed rubber floor mat, full-length foam-backed headliner, and more. For top-of-the-line luxury and style, Chevy Beauville includes chromed grille with rectangular headlamps, special side marker lamps and reflectors, body side and rear moldings, and bright exterior trim. Inside, the luxurious custom cloth or custom vinyl seat trim, vinyl trim panels, color-keyed insulated headliner, full-length plush nylon carpeting, and much more. That's Chevrolet's wide choice of vans for 1982. Chevy van, High Cube van, Step van, and Sport van. They're Chevrolet's answer to America's needs for efficiently carrying people or cargo. Built tough enough to handle today's jobs. Built to last. Operating efficiency. The dividends show up here at the pump and here at the service bay. There are a lot of built-in reasons why Chevy vans and sport vans can handle large loads of cargo and people with impressive operating efficiency. Take a look at the power team availability first. Choose between the standard 6 and 2 optional V8s. A 3-speed manual transmission is standard. A 3-speed automatic is optional. And there are 7 different rear axle ratios available to effectively match power to application demands. The 4.1-liter 6 is standard on G10 and 20 series vans and sport vans, and it features a staged 2-barrel carburetor. It's one reason why this engine is able to combine high efficiency with impressive performance. For more power, choose the 5-liter V8 with electronic spark control. It's a high-compression engine that provides surprising horsepower and acceleration for its size, with fuel efficiency rivaling some 6-cylinder equipped vans. In California, a 5-liter V8 with 4-barrel carburetor is available. To handle even heavier payloads and trailer towing requirements, the 5.7-liter V8 is available in sport vans and G30 vans. A torque converter clutch comes standard with the available automatic transmission on G10 and 20 models. It provides a direct mechanical link between the engine and drive line at cruising speeds. This happens when normal road speed is reached in 3rd gear, thereby reducing engine RPM. And of course, an engine that doesn't have to work as hard uses less fuel. Chevrolet puts those efficient power teams into an aerodynamically styled body that's been refined by extensive wind tunnel testing. On the go, air streams easily around the vehicle. It's a fact, a Chevy van or sport van has an air drag coefficient rivaling many of today's redesigned passenger cars. All Chevy vans and sport vans under 8,500 pounds GVWR come standard with high-pressure radial tires that roll easier than non-radials. And Chevy's front disc brakes use low-drag brake calipers that allow the wheels to turn easier. Underneath Chevy's hood are several features that demonstrate how normal maintenance costs are kept down through easy serviceability and the use of low-maintenance components. The Delco Freedom 2 battery is standard. It never needs water, and the charge level is easily determined by checking the visible indicator. Here's the Delcotron, a transistorized unit that combines the generator and voltage regulator into one compact unit, reducing the amount of exposed wiring. A high-energy ignition system is standard. No points or condenser to replace. Spark plug change intervals are every 30,000 miles under normal driving conditions. To keep downtime to a minimum and help save on the cost of servicing, Chevrolet vans have been designed to make it easy for a technician to check 27 maintenance items from under the hood. And in addition to the standard 12-month, 12,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty, the driveline components of Chevy vans and sport vans are further covered by a Power Protection Plus limited warranty, good for 24 months or 24,000 miles. Power teams designed for efficiency, aerodynamic styling, low rolling resistance, ease of maintenance design. All part of what gives Chevy vans and sport vans their impressive operating efficiency. Chevrolet vans often have to work in very rugged conditions, hauling heavy cargoes on bumpy roads, in corrosion-causing elements, all demanding tough construction to withstand constant beatings. Chevy's tough unitized body frame construction is designed for big, heavy cargoes. Heavy-gauge steel side rails, cross sills, and outriggers form an integral frame, which is welded together with front and rear floor panels to form a tough underbody. For structural rigidity, steel side strainers and roof bows form the framework for the one-piece side and roof panels. Altogether, it's one tough unit. Chevy vans and sport vans feature rugged front and rear suspension systems. They're designed to help smooth the ride and help isolate passengers and cargo from bumpy roads. A rigid, massive steel girder beam is the main support component of Chevy's fully adjustable independent front suspension. Attached at each end are contoured steel upper and lower control arms. A tough, friction-free coil spring at each wheel is computer matched to the GVW rating. The big feature of this design is that each pair of control arms is free to move up and down. This allows one wheel to absorb a road shock without transferring that force to the other wheel. The geometric design of the control arms also help keep the wheel travel vertical to help avoid unnecessary tire wear. A tough front suspension, smooth riding as well. And because prolonged travel over rough roads always takes its toll, Chevy's front suspension can easily be adjusted for toe-in, camber, and caster. At the rear, Chevy's multi-leaf suspension is designed to automatically adjust to varying loads and road conditions. When carrying a few passengers, light, fragile cargo, or no cargo at all, only a few leaves are utilized, providing a soft ride. With heavy loads, stronger spring leaves automatically come into play for firmer support. And it's this same progressive spring action that also helps absorb the impact of bumpy roads and other sudden road jolts. Road salt and other corrosive elements have long been something that can eat away at a truck's worth. In the past several years, intensive research has led to significant improvements in the anti-corrosion treatments of Chevy van and sport van. These significant improvements begin with the expanded use of special steels in areas that have shown to be especially vulnerable to corrosion. Galvanized steel is used in areas like the inner and outer rocker panels, rear door outer panels, wheel housings, and grille filler panels. Zinchrometal, a steel with zinc primer baked on its surface, is used in areas like the front and side door outer panels and the body side panels. And the front and rear door hinges are zinc-plated steel. To illustrate the corrosion-fighting effectiveness of specially treated steel, these pieces of zinchrometal and untreated steel were subjected to salt spray for just 24 hours. Compare the difference. The untreated steel already shows visible signs of rust. Not so with the zinchrometal. To further enhance anti-corrosion measures, each Chevy van and sport van is dipped in a vat of special primer. Because the body is positively charged and the primer is negatively charged, the paint is magnetically attracted to the metal for good adhesion and coverage in seams and hard-to-get-at corners and crevices. After scratch-resistant acrylic enamel paint is baked on, an aluminum wax preservative is sprayed in critical areas, like the lower body and rocker panel inner surfaces. Tough, unitized body frame construction, rugged suspension systems, attention to corrosion-fighting detail. It's all part of the value in the design and construction of Chevy vans and sport vans. Deep down value to keep them looking good. Spacious roominess, comfortable seating available for up to 12 passengers, an impressively smooth ride. 3 good reasons why Chevy Sport Van is popular with so many different types of buyers for both business and personal use. Sport van comfort begins when the doors are opened. They open wide, so getting in and out is easy. And convenient doorsteps provide good footing. Full bed, a great feature for family trips. Chevy Sport Van for $82, with all the uncompromising room and comfort to make it an enjoyable way to travel in the 80s.